Hey folks, Jeff Roski here from Made a Thing. How's it going? In my shop today. This past weekend I went, it was my 4th anniversary with my wife, and we went up to the Von Trapp Lodge in Stowe, Vermont. It's the Von Trapp family from The Sound of Music, if I got the movie correctly. I don't really watch old movies, so I think I got it right. Anyways, while we were up there, we did a bunch of tag sailing and went to some antique malls, found a flea market, found a tag sale where everybody's just giving away everything for free, found some awesome stuff. But we stopped by the Quechee Antique Mall in Quechee, Vermont, and for 16 bucks, I found this massive cleaver. This thing weighs a few good pounds, and from top to bottom is just over 17 inches. So this thing is massive. The blade itself is 8 3/4 inches. This thing is huge. It's got a busted handle. It's also very rusty. So I'm gonna bust off the rest of the handle, remove the rust, then I'm gonna build a new handle for it. Bring it back to life. Start with you. And there we go. All right, we have day 2 here. It hasn't been exactly 24 hours, but let's do a quick check-in here. You can see exactly where the demarcation point of where it was sitting into the evaporust and where it wasn't. Look at that. This thing's still really nasty and needs a real lot of work. We got most of the surface rust off, which is awesome. Just not wide enough to fit this massive cleaver. Not only is it non-toxic, but it's also 100% reusable. All you need, grab a funnel, if required, and then just pour the stuff back in. It looks nasty. It looks so nasty. It doesn't come this way when you first buy it. It's like yellowish. And you're gonna throw some gunk back in there. But, you know, that's fine. Let's pull her out of here. Oh, she's a beaut, Clark. It's a lot less rusty than she used to be. Let me get a rag to clean her off. Oh, look at that. Oh, this thing's gonna be gorgeous. Not freaking bad. Ooh. Oh. What's next? Oh. Fun time. That's what's next. There we go. Wire wheel on. All right. Hit it. See how shiny that is? It's so shiny. Look at that. It's night and day. Here, let me take that. See that? Let me hold it up. Let the handle come up. That's what it used to look like. And that's what it looks like now. And that's just with a wire brush. Round 1 is complete. Oh, that's so gorgeous. A lot of work to do still, but we're getting there.
Let's cut some scales that are that thick, right? Like this thick, okay? We'll cut scales that are that thick. We will mark the holes.
Well, obviously.
We'll drill the locations for the pins, right?
I'm gonna use the original pins. Actually, no, I'm gonna do brass.
Yeah, we got brass. So we'll mark the locations, but then we can actually incorporate that little floppy bit,
Flare.
a little flare, which is because that I love the cleaver, but that just looks wicked lame. Look,
It does look stupid.
it looks wicked lame.
$16 for that.
That's cool though.
Isn't that
Very
awesome?
cool. Unfortunately, yeah, we're gonna have to. This is gonna need. I don't know if those of you in the audience can see this, but essentially what this does is it's got one flat side and one side that's kind of curved like this. So the blade sort of looks like this in profile, which is bizarre.
It's like an 1800s cleaver.
It's definitely
Late
got, it's got
18s or
a,
early 19s.
yeah. See, it's also got a.
Shit ton of pitting.
Well, no, this too.
Yeah, oh, that's bent to hell.
Do you want to do oak or do you want to do like hickory?
We can do whatever.
Hickory.
We can do
Hickory,
whatever.
dickory,
Duh.
dock. The cleaver is in his house, can I?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, see that right there? That's why we don't see. Do you see how that thing kicked that thing way over like that? That's the curve.
Huh.
The curve in the not only in the blade.
I sharpened it fine. It's now dull. If you dulled it.
I dulled that whole edge with that one swipe. Did you see that? It was amazing. Oh, my fingers!
No, just bend over the neck.
Alright, anyway. Wait, okay, you can.
Nostril view. I was told not to do this in videos.
Nostril view?
Yes.
Look at this. This is the fanciest push stick
Oh,
you've
wow.
ever seen.
Oh,
That is a curly maple push stick. Look at the glorious.
look at the sexiness
sexy
of that
glory of
wood.
that.
Oh,
Push stick. And that's why I use a push stick, because you don't want that in your finger. Bandsaw noises.
he examines his wood.
Well, so I want to keep them. I want to keep them in the proper orientation, right? But I also want to. I don't think there's much that needs to be done to that surface because that surface is going to be attached here with adhesive. So I'm not going to worry about that, right? What I'm going to do first is I'm going to lay this on this like this, right? With the expectation that I'm going up to there, but I got to get in that hole first, don't I? Right? And that there, and I need it to go all the way in to here, right? So I'm going to notch that and that there. We'll see how that goes. That has got to go past all that. Right? Okay, so that's got to go past all of that. And then we come around like so and just kind of chip that off, but this has got to come way back. Way back. To the way back machine. See all that in there?
Yep.
That'll speak to that. So that's going this way. See? A little bit like a bat. This is not the, new. This is not the
New fine craftsman workshop.
Well, this is not the fine. No, this is not the fine woodworking style to get this shiatsu done. This is just, but it's not janky either. It's like halfway between, right?
It's got a little jank to it.
Okay, so that's roughly where we want that to be, right? Okay.
He seemed to say.
Right. And then, yeah, see, that's thicker than that. So that's got to, see, that clamps down on that like that, and now it fits.
Yep.
Right? So the other side needs to look kind of like that, right?
If we have a thing called a vise.
Well, if you color all the way around, then the spot where the pencil isn't is where you need to cut to. Mm-hmm. Right?
That makes sense. Oh, that was your face. Hi, face.
I'm going to square both of these off at the same time. Yep.
That's how you make wood flour.
It's not a wood flower. It's a half circle. Or a half.
That's how you make half of a wood flower.
Half of a wood ellipse. It's a wood ellipse. Not lips, like wood lips, but like wood ellipse.
Dot, dot, dot.
Not woody lips, but wood lips, right? There's a difference between. Nobody likes woody lips, but a wood ellipse.
It's gonna look pretty
Shove it down. Shove it down. See?
Look at that.
Right?
All right.
It's just ever so slightly too. So now we got boom. Okay. So then we're gonna go here and here. So we're gonna do the same thing with that guy, right? Right up in there like that. Right?
Oh yeah.
It's 29 128.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah. Let's round that up to 15/64ths, or should we round it up to
9/20 seconds?
31 128ths, or a quarter inch?
Let's go with a quarter
Let's
inch.
go to quarter inch.
You mean you did it without dipping the tip? There you go. You gotta dip the tip.
That'll do. How's that?
Sure.
Yeah?
I mean, it
Alright.
looks like there's lights involved.
900 R's, P's, M's. We got some lube in here?
I do not have any lube.
Can we get any lube up in this piece? I got some lube here.
Try for the camera.
Boo to the ya.
Yeah, that's what they're for. One time use.
One time use. All right.
Or you can use a knife. Or a pencil. You could totally use a pencil for that. Look at that. Another use for the pencil.
Oh my god, I've totally stuck my fingers together already.
Fast sitting.
Do you have a hammer?
No. I had okay. Press.
Okay.